Let's see how to put page like ad. This will be specific for Facebook only. Go to create, engagement. In engagement, you'll find one option of page like. Continue. You can name your campaign. Let's say I'm just naming it as this. This name is only visible to you, so you can name it the way you want. We go to next. Now here we'll create ad set, which will be your audience, budget. You'll define everything here. Page, you need to check whether you have selected the right page or not. If you have multiple pages, make sure to select the right page. Say here my daily budget is, here what I'm doing is I'm putting a lifetime budget of 1500, and I'm changing the dates from, let's say I want to start my ad today after an hour maybe, and then I want my ad to run for a week, run about, let's say, here I want it to go to, that's it. So you can change the time, schedule, budget, everything. Now here I'll check with the audience. Perfect. So here I want people who live in Vadodara city and near to 50 miles. Then you can check with the age. Here I am targeting age 55, 25 to 55. That's what I'm targeting here. Genders, we are selecting all. In demographics, we are selecting people who have interest in lifestyle pages, luxury lifestyle. Depending upon your product or the page for which you're running ads, you can choose your audience. And here we go next. So we've created the objective. On top we have done the objective. Second, we created the ad set. Make sure if you see any notifications, warnings, make sure that you solve them. And here we already have excluded people who already like our page, so they won't see our ad. And here we are just writing page like ad. And from here I can choose a video or image, and I can write some primary text here. For example, I had some already in my mind which I had noted. I can add a picture. You can use from your page images, or if you have one, you can upload. For now, I'm selecting one image. You can select any. And here you'll see this page like button attached with your ad. And this ad would only be shown on Facebook because page like is a Facebook page concept. And then all you have to do is publish, and you're ready with your page like ad.